What's going on, guys? Today is January 19th, and in today's videos, we're going to be removing the popcorn of the ceiling all throughout the house. So before taking out the popcorn, you want to make sure you test it for asbestos. Cut a little piece, get it tested. And then the way we're going to do it is we're going to go ahead and spray it, wet it out, wait about 10 minutes, and then just scrape it down. So you can see it's all throughout the house. It's going to be all, yeah. Or it's all the ceiling all in the house. You can see here, it's everywhere. So now we're going to be using this right here. And then just go ahead and carry it to the room, spray the ceiling, and scrape. Spray and scrape. You can see here, we already did this room, so we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of the house. Alright, now here you can see we're using the hopper to spray the ceiling, trying to get it nice and even. It's hard to see in the video because it's nice and fine, not too thick. And yeah, we're just gonna continue this all throughout the house. And here's the edges. You can see they're all sealed. We used caulking all throughout the house. And here's the bathroom. You can see here we covered what needed to be covered and then just removed whatever was going to be put back on. So again, here you can see the edges look good. So now let's go ahead and take a look at a few more shots before we paint the house. So now that we're done with the house painting, you can see here this house has those old yellow outlets, so we're going to replace them. So now the first thing you want to do is make sure you have your switches off before you work with any electrical work, just to prevent shocking. Alright, so here all I'm doing is going to unscrew the screws and take off the wires. It's really in there, so I'm just going to use the pliers to cut it off. And just twist it to lock it into the screw. So ready to go. So now here's the new one. So same thing. So the yellow side goes with the black wire, the green goes with the ground, and then the white screw, the lighter screw, goes with the white. Okay, well you can see this on the yellow. So same thing, just lock the screws back in place. Sometimes these have two black wires and two white wires, so just wire them each on one screw and you'll be set. Screw it in place, and then we're going to screw the wall plate. Don't screw it too tight because it will break the plate sometimes. And there we go. And we're going to do these for the rest of the outlets and the switches. Alright, so now here's a few finished shots. You can see we painted the walls gray, the ceiling white. We painted the baseboard white. You can see the wall plates, we changed them. And then we also went ahead and we're changing the doorknobs, putting new bronze ones. Here's a look at the kitchen. Here's the backyard. You can see here we're painting some of the shelves nice and white because they used to have like that yellow like tint to them. Here's one of the rooms. Again, you can see we changed the wall plates, painted the baseboard. We're painting the doors just so they can pop nice and white. Here's the hall. Those light fixtures that we left on, we're gonna switch them out, so that's why we just left them like that. Again, we switched the doorknobs. Here's one of the closets. And then we're painting the boards white to go on there. Here's another bedroom. Here's the other hall. And the mud room. And then the master. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next update.